Hey beautiful people YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Nick here. So, today we are going to finish the clutch job and replace the hub and pressure plate that I broke the other day while attempting to do this job. So if you haven't seen that video, click on the card above. It'll have disassembly there. I'm not going to show you guys taking this all apart again. So I'm going to get this blown apart. UPS should be here soon. I had the parts overnighted, and then I have to head up to the shop to press this out, press the hub out of the basket. Alright, so UPS just delivered my new clutch hub and my pressure plate. So I ordered these through JP and JP Cycles, and I had them overnighted. It cost me about $130 for these two parts, so a little bit of an expensive mistake. So now I'm going to head down to the shop, and I have to press this old hub out of this basket and then press that new one back in. So I will be back with you guys in just a sec. Alright guys, well unfortunately the camera died while I was finishing the assembly, but she is all together. She's not leaking. She runs okay. She freaked me out. She had a little bit of a knock for like the first minute that she ran, but that went away, so I'm assuming the lifters bled down. So who knows, maybe we'll end up on the side of the road or something with this. But again, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Follow me on social media. Once again, guys, I love each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. I'm out.